I knew that there had to be other solutions out there. In fact, the straw that broke the camel's back was just seeing other catalogs out there, much larger catalogs than us, and knowing that there has to be a better way that larger organizations are handling this information. And just because we're a small organization with a smaller catalog doesn't mean that we couldn't leverage those same resources, but using a smaller department to handle the information. We were handling product descriptions with pen and paper. The sales team would review the document, want to make changes in bullet points or descriptions, phrasing of different paragraphs on the information sheets, and we would manually make the changes. Managing all the data together was the real challenge. We really don't have the resources of a marketing department to keep all of those assets in check. Catsy helped us organize the information, made it available to multiple sources simultaneously, and helped us make these changes with a small department and without having to grow just to keep the information up to date. Before Catsy, we were keeping track of images on a file server. They were all over the place. They were used and reused, and generally by the time you wanted to get a high resolution image, you generally couldn't find the source file because different departments had been in there resizing and changing images. Our image management has changed with Catsy. We now load the images into Catsy and let it take care of the image and keep the master files. The best part about our product sheets that are produced with Catsy is the consistency of all the different product sheets. On any individual product line, every sheet comes out the same. Placement of items, information is all formatted in a method that allows a great amount of consistency from all the product sheets. That's something that we failed to achieve in the old method of doing the product sheets manually. My favorite feature of Catsy is the flexibility of the software. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution where your information has to fit into a pattern of fields that somebody else has kind of decided for you. You can grow the fields, you can evolve the information to fit your particular product. With the multi-language capabilities, we've been able to produce our product sheets and websites in 5 different languages and keep the information up to date. I'm able to take an export of the data from Catsy, provide it to a translator, and bring it back in via import into the database. That information can then be presented on product sheets, websites, and any other resource, and we can keep the information consistent. People really like our new look and the consistency of the information and how it's presented.